In medieval Granada, a fearless Moorish vizier courted danger as openly as he courted a celebrated Nightingale singer who sang beneath the Alcazar arches. Their secret meetings in moonlit courtyards sparked whispered prayers and a policy shift that favored arts and memory over mere conquest. When a rival courtier uncovered the bond, a web of politics twisted, forcing alliances that reshaped Andalusian culture for a generation. The affair revealed how intimate loyalties could steer treaties, guilds, and the very language spoken in the streets. This untold story shows passion as a driver of history, not just a distraction from power.